this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the doctor class here in Bake or Die on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, once you're in game, you need to go ahead and click on classes on the left-hand side of the screen. You can also go into the classes shop over here as well, but do either of those two. And essentially what you need to do is scroll down until you see Doctor on here. Now, once you see Doctor, you'll go ahead and be able to unlock it for 75 nuggets, just like so. And you can see all the benefits that it does right here because you can actually level it up as well. But obviously, you can't do any of that without actually having the nuggets in the first place. Now, to get those nuggets, what you need to do is either complete daily quest over here. You can go ahead and complete 3 of these every single day to get, 1 through 3 nuggets. Or you can also just survive, normal days or nights in the game as well. About every single day or night, you get about like 1 nugget. So it does take a while to go ahead and grind them. But if you want it faster, you can also just open up the nugget shop by clicking on the nuggets over on this left-hand sidebar and purchasing some nuggets from here for some Robux. And of course, once you do that, you can go back into the classes menu and purchase the doctor from there. That's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.